Good morning, children. Let us start to learn about the economic activities in detail. In the last classes, you learned about the human activity and its two classification, economic and non-economic. We are learning economic activities in detail. It is classified into three: business, profession, and employment. Let us see each in detail. Business. What is business? All economic activities which are concerned with production and exchange of goods and services with the object of earning profit, or we can say production and distribution of goods and services with the object of earning profit. That means producing the goods into the factory, storing it into the warehouses, distributing it through the transportation, and reaching it into the hands of the wholesaler, retailer, and up to the hands of the consumer. Any activities in between this, from production to consumption, it is called business if it is done for earning profit. Now we will see about the profession, an occupation which involves application of specialized knowledge and skills to earn living. For example, doctor. To become a doctor, a specialized knowledge, educational qualification, that means getting through the entrance exam and getting admission for the MBBS and learning and passing the exam. So many procedures are there. So it's an occupation which involves the application of specialized knowledge and skills to earn the money. Earn the living is known as profession. Now we will see what is employment. It's an economic activity where people work for others, work under others in exchange of some remuneration. What do you mean by remuneration? Salaries or wages. So, employment means person working under someone in order to get salary or wages. There is one employer and one employee. Employer and employee, in between them there will be contract between them, and employer will give instruction or orders, and employee will do that and will get the salary or remunerations. We will see some difference between three. Business is done for earning profit. Profession is mainly providing services to the people and also earn money as fees. And employment is to earn salaries or wages working under someone. For the business, there is no specific essential qualification is required. Very highly educated people, even less educated people, uneducated person also can do business. But for the profession, minimum professional educational qualification is compulsory. Without that, a person cannot be a professional. For the employment, qualification depends according to the need of the job. What is the job? What work have to be done? What is the post? According to that, the qualification varies. As a reward, profit is for business, fees is the reward for profession, and the salary and wages are the reward of employment. And when we think about a businessman work for himself independently, he does not work under someone. But the profession work is according to the professional guidelines. Professional associations are there. All India Medical Association, All India Chartered Accountant Association, like that. Different professional associations are there. According to their rules and regulations and guideline, the professional has to work. For the employment, work is assigned by the employer and the employee work according to it. And the transfer of ownership, it is possible in the case of business. Ownership can be transferred from the one businessman to another person when he sells his business. In profession, the specialized service of a person cannot be transferred to other person. That remains with the person himself. It cannot be transferred to another person. And employment transfer is not possible. One person is appointed in a particular post for a particular work. That should be done by that person only. It is according to the agreement. Employer and employee is there. Employee cannot be changed there. So there is no transfer of employment possible. These are the important differences in a three economic activities: business, profession, employment.